And you, okay, and you, okay. So, Komar, please connect to Kayen Pepper. Thank you. Please do subscribe. Kayen Pepper. Komar. Thank you so much. What are you cooking? I'm not cooking. Sis Belle. Hello, Ate Cho. Ate Cho. Komar, Ate Cho is in the house. Andito na naman yung BFF ko. Tune in lang, BCI. Sige lang, Ticho. Okay lang po. Pigsamantala ko lang yung oras habang wala akong bantay, Ate Cho. Nasa kusina pa nga ako. Tingnan mo, ang dami kong Ate Cho. Ligpitin. Tambakang ligpitin ko. Yan, live ako habang nagliligpit. Are you sitting in my heart? Grabe naman yan, Komar. Grabe naman, Komar. Ano ba yan? Hello, Ate Cho. Ate Cho, andito si Tita Ana Lisel. Ang Tita Ana Lisel na speaking in the dollar. Speaking in the dollar. Shoutout si Ana Lisel. Sabi ni Ate Cho, M2M. Asan ba si M2M? Wala naman dito si M2M. Team Bisdak, shoutout. Team Bisdak. Busy siguro sila, guys. Ate Cho, wala ba akong kasabay? Check mo nga, Ate Cho. Baka naka-live si Tita Lai or Mama Tess. Cho left the live. I am here for you in our night. Thank you so much. Komar, thank you. Ate Cho, glad to catch you up here. Nag-English na. And thank you guys. What are you doing our day? I'm doing anything. Mabubo talaga ako sa iyo, Komar. Min. Yung nasal ko lang. Hindi, Komar. He's still here, Komar. Ano daw, yes, 25 years old girl. Komar, you are girl? Girl, boy. Thank you so much sa 2 million dyan.